October is one of my favorite months, and that is because it is the month for Hacktoberfest. Now, what is Hacktoberfest? You would ask. I'm going to explain that and go much more into details. But before we get into all of that, let's do a quick intro. My name is Ami Alexia TechBasis. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel, engaging with the contents and all of that. If you're yet to subscribe, please click on this subscribe button. What that would do for you is that it's going to give you a notification whenever I post any helpful tech content, especially if you're a tech newbie, because that's why I'm here for you. So if you're a tech newbie or you're trying to get into the tech space, trying to navigate this whole tech space, you should definitely be clicking on the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of my videos. Okay, do not stop there. Make sure you like, you comment, and you share it to everyone that you know would benefit from this video. Okay, now let's get back to the main purpose of the video. Hacktoberfest. What is Hacktoberfest? Hacktoberfest is an event that happens annually. It runs throughout the month of October, and it's all about contributing to open source projects. Now, I can also hear you say, what is open source project? Well, open source means projects where the code is available for everyone to see, use, and improve. It's very simple, right? Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 super simple ways on how you can join this year's Hacktoberfest and start contributing to open source projects, even if you are a total beginner and do not know anything about Hacktoberfest or contributing to open source projects. Do not worry, I got you. Now, the first thing you want to do is to sign up on the Hacktoberfest website. Head over to Hacktoberfest website and sign up. You can do that using your GitHub or GitLab account. And if you don't have any account on GitHub or GitLab, or you have not created any account yet, you can easily do that by just going to github.com or gitlab.com and create an account for yourself. It's very easy to do. The reason why you have to sign up on Hacktoberfest website is for your contributions to count towards the Hacktober. Second thing you want to do is to find beginner friendly projects. There are plenty of projects or repos on GitHub that are beginner friendly, like there are projects that welcome beginners right into the whole GitHub space and contributing to open source. What you have to do is to look out for these tags: Hacktoberfest, good first issues, beginner friendly. These are the tags that you have to look out for to find beginner friendly projects that is easy for you to contribute. Someone that is new to this whole contributing to open source and everything, or even if you're not new, but the whole contributing to open source is still strange to you, this is a way for you to also get into the space of contributing to open source projects. Now, the third thing you want to do is to fix bugs and improve documentation. After you have searched out for these beginner friendly projects or good first issues and you find projects that you want to contribute to, it is now time for you to fix bugs or improve documentations. A lot of projects on GitHub do not have a good README, do not have a good README to it. And there are a lot of documentations for projects. Some projects has like documentations that might need improving on. You can also look around for simple, easy bugs for you to fix here and there. Just keep your eyes open. A lot of people would say, "Oh, I don't know how to code." Open source is not all about coding. Even if you are not technical, you can also contribute to open source. Now, the fourth step is for you to make a pull request. After you have fixed the bug, after you've improved the documentation, the next thing for you to do is to open a pull request. Now, what that means is that all the changes that you have made to that particular project, you are submitting it and then alerting the project maintainers to know that someone has made a fix or improved something, asking them to come and check what it is that you have done. And if it's something that suits the project, if it's something that suits the project and also passes all the contributors or contributions guideline, it will be merged and that would count as a contribution for you. And the fifth and most important on my list, pay attention, very important, is learn Git and GitHub basis. Since most of the contributions are done through GitHub, you would have to learn the GitHub basis. Basis like how to fork a repo, how to clone a repo into your local computer, how to open a pull request, and all of that. You would have to learn it because most of the open source projects are done through GitHub, and for you to effectively contribute to an open source project, you would have to learn GitHub and Git Basis. If you want me to make a detailed video on Git and GitHub Basis to help you learn and effectively contribute to open source projects, let me know in the comments below. Well, as a big sis, I would always have an extra tip for you. Find a community and join. That would really help you to, stay in the game, know like information, get informations on what is going on, how it's happening. Hacktoberfest has a community, but you can also look around for other tech communities because they would also be mentioning what is going on and putting out like where you projects that are companies that have projects that you need to work on for Hacktoberfest and all of that good information. You can also join Techies Heaven community as well. The link will be in my bio. The community is on Discord. That is my community. You can join that as well, or look or research on other tech communities that you can join. That will help you because, to be honest, community saves a whole lot. Like, it gives you a lot of information that you can't get if you are doing this tech thing alone. Right? That will be all for this video. And if you have watched up to this point, well, kisses to you. Thank you so much for staying till the end. And please do not forget to leave a like, comment, share this video to anyone that you know would find it helpful. Subscribe if you have not subscribed to join the coolest techies. And until my next video, bye, my darlings.